Hello everyone. For the application presentation assignment, I will be talking to y'all about the website slash app called BrainPop. I do use BrainPop Junior since I do teach pre-K and they are 4 and 5-year-olds. So I am logged on right now on the teacher dashboard to show you how it looks like. So you'll log in and show you your class or classes that you might have and assignments. I'll go ahead and show you a brief demonstration of how to make an assignment. So on here, you would put the title. I'll go ahead and put emotions since that's one of our topics that we usually teach. It does have, if you want to put a due date, it is optional. I don't. And then you would add your topic. Since I do teach little ones, I always use BrainPop Junior. And then you would type in what your topic is. I'll go ahead and show you. There is so many to choose from, and you can work your lessons around that. Allergies, anger, characters, and the list goes on and on. Okay, so since we are working on emotions, I'll go ahead and click that. Click on here, it gets added, and then it takes you on here, the assignment builder. This is where you get to choose what you want to add to your lesson. I always like to start off with a small video clip. It's a very informational 5 minute so-ish video clip for the little ones to watch. Then I like for them to draw about it. They're at their stage where they express their creativity by drawing, and they'll have little pictures of what they just saw on the video. And then wordplay, I'll have important words that they just saw in the video clip for them to write, spell out. And then it does have quizzes, since like I said, I deal with little pre-K kids. They're 4 and 5, so I like to do an easy quiz for them. Talk about it. Since they are little, there should be a parent supervising them. That way they can talk to their parents about what they just learned or saw. There is hard quizzes, write about it, but for this age group, I don't think that's appropriate yet. Make a map, add a game, creative coding. This is they get to create their own story. Belly Up, it's a cute little comic. I'll go ahead and add it. Mixed quiz is a mixture of the easy and hard quiz. So I'll go ahead and just add these for now. You can write instructions for your students or, well, your parents to read if there's anything important that they need to know about this particular lesson, and then you can go ahead and assign it. Once it gets assigned, whoever has it's linked to your class will get a notification that there is a new assignment lesson available. So I'll go ahead and log out and log into a student so you can see what they see once they log on. Okay, so this is logging in from a student's point of view. When a student logs in, it has all subjects up here that they can go ahead and click and explore and learn. I will have today's BrainPop topic, what's going on in today's world. I'll have some games. Like I said, we use BrainPop Junior. It's the little kids. Once they get older, they move up, and so on. So I'll go ahead and go up here. Once a lesson gets made, it'll show up on here. So we'll click on the one that I just created not a few seconds ago. So when they log in, I'll say, their teacher made a lesson on emotions. So I'll go ahead and start off. Like I said, I like them to start off with the video. It's very educational. It's not that long. It's 5 minutes. And it has, bright colors that little kids, will enjoy. I'll let you watch a few seconds of it. The lake feels like it's twisted in knots. My heart is Okay. Anyways, y'all kind of got a feel of what these videos look like. They're, like I said, they have a lot of information in them, and they're brief. So, your students' attention span doesn't run out and they don't listen to it anymore. So once they finish watching the little movie clip, they go to the next assignment, which is draw about it. Like I said, I deal with pre-K students. So these are little pictures that they saw on the video clip that they just saw, happy, sad, and they get to draw about it. They want to make the happy face. They'll get this, draw a circle, you know, color it in. And then once they're done drawing, they get to submit to their teacher. Once they're done with that activity, they go up here and go to the next assignment. Okay, so this is called wordplay. So they would play the emotion. And as you can hear, it does talk to them, especially the little ones that cannot read fully yet. So it gets on here, they can draw it, write, and it's so perfect for the little ones. That way they get used to spelling and learning their letters. So they would go here. Draw. Okay, and EMOTON, and then act. And with their parents' help, they can type and stuff. But I really like this because they get to write out the word, and it has, like you saw, important words that they just learned from the video. So we already did wordplay, we already did the video. The quiz is really simple, and it goes over what they just learned in the video clip. And of course, they have their parents help, but if parent is busy cooking, doing something else, the kids can come click here. It reads to them the question and the answer. Okay, so let's say I really didn't understand this question. It'll say no. And then, and I'll let them know if they got it correct or wrong. And then they go to the next one. I'll read it to them. Moby slips in the Okay. Anyways, y'all get how easy these questions are, and it's probably something that they saw on the video. Okay, and then, emotions, talk about it. Okay, and this is something that, I do suggest parents help their students out, and they'll put on here happy, and they get to work on their typing skills, the new words that they might have just learned, and so on. Like I said, I do always let parents know to help their students with their homework assignments. Okay, and then the last one, it's the belly up, and it's always a cute little comic story that their parents would read to them, and ask questions about, and to see if their students actually learn or can find a solution to what is going on in the story. But yeah, that is how BrainPop works in a classroom. You can make lesson plans, and my students love it. Like I said, these videos are really informative. They really love the whole draw about it. They're at that age that, drawing shows their creativity. Um, but yes, whenever you assign something, it shows up, they get notifications. And as a teacher, you get those assignments turned back into you to see who actually did it or not. But yes, thank you so much for watching, and I hope y'all get a chance to take a look at BrainPop. Thank you so much.